following Wild Bill. Wild Bill on the inside of Lumsden. Here comes Wild Bill in that 64 car. As it looks like they make a little bit of contact. Wild Bill coming out of turn 2 to take second place.
And it's that 51 car of Chris Page doing some damage as he's worked his way in now the top 3 position. As that number 10 machine will duck out into the middle. Chris Mengi. Still the 88X of Keegan Rodden out front, but William Balms in that 64, the battle along the back stretch as they go in turns 3 and 4.
So Rodden and Balms side by side. Right now, Lumsden Jr. sitting there for the extra bonus money from Magnuson Landscaping. Now it's Dominic Lundy for the bonus. Whoa, Lundy's loose.
And William Balms, who is 3rd in the points, currently leading this race. In that 64 machine. Keegan Rodden in an 88X, and the 51 at Chris Page, your top 3, and the extra money man, as you mentioned, in a battle as Lumsden Jr. and Dominic Lundy get into it. And here comes Dwayne Lounsbury in that 22 machine. Bombs out front in that 64 machine, beginning to pull away. A little about a second and a half ahead of the 88 of Keegan Rodden. Chris Page right behind him. Lundy and Lounsbury running off your top 5 as they're in a battle as the number 19 car of Kurt Neichwanger will duck to the middle as well.
So we got a great battle for 4th place as they're hoping to win that bonus cash. Dwayne Lounsbury looking on Lundy right now, and here comes R.J. Horseman right there in that battle for 4th.
Put money on the table, and those drivers will stay right in that pace as the 64 of William Balms way out front. He's coming up on that 13J of Jeremiah Gust. 88X of Keegan Rodden still in 2nd place. Chris Page in 3rd. Dominic Lundy in the 4th spot.
Yeah, Lundy got to the inside there. Here comes R.J. Horseman. Oh, look out. We went 3 wide there coming into turn 3. Dominic Lundy. Looks like he made contact with Jeremiah Gus. Dominic's a little bit all over the place there, Eric.
William Balms is 2.5 seconds ahead of the 88 car of Keegan Rodden as Chris Page, Dominic Lundy battle for that 3rd and 4th spot. Along with R.J. Horseman as well. They're all right in that.
They all want the Magnuson Landscaping bonus money.
They sure do.
They're hanging out there in 4th place.
As Horseman and the 51 Chris Page. A little bumping and banging as they go around turns 3 and 4. William Balms still way out front. 3.2 second difference for Keegan Rodden. Page in that 3rd spot. The Horseman in 4th. Dominic Lundy in 5th. Wayne Lounsbury rounding off your 6.
So 13 down. We've got 7 to go, 6 to go this time around for Wild Bill Balms. There he goes. We got a dash race left. Keegan Rodden in 2nd. R.J. Horseman in 3rd. Chris Page in 4th. Chris Page likes to play fantasy football. He's out playing in one of our fantasy football leagues with us this year. We'll see how he does.
William Balms, 4.1 seconds ahead of the 2nd place of the 88. Keegan Rodden. 51 at Chris Page in the 3rd spot. Dominic Lundy in 4th. And Dwayne Lounsbury, your top 5. Balms still out front in that 64 machine. 88 of Keegan Rodden. Rodden in the 2nd place. Chris Page in that 3rd spot. Dwayne Lounsbury and Dominic Lundy battle for that 4th and 5th spot. Mountain Dew Kickstart Roadrunners. Balms with a 5.2 second difference over that 88X of Keegan Rodden. And with 1 to go, that 64 machine, who's 3rd in the points, is going to trickle his way up. And we got problems on the backs in the turns 1 and 2. Bringing out the caution here. We're going to get a checkered flag. It's going to go to the 64 of William Balmus, but all kinds of problems. Chris Page, RJ Horseman. So officially the 64 car of William Balms is your winner. Second place goes to the 88 of Keegan Rodden.